uh, you have to import this pandas library. This is called spam ham filtering based project, okay, where we're going to classify our mail as a spam or ham. So as a beginning, initial step is what? You have to import pandas as pd. Okay, you need to import library to read your data set. Second thing, you need to import your data set. You have to add your data set. How you're going to do that? First, let me run this. Here I'm telling my Python code that I wanted to read the data in the same rows column format. Okay, so that's why I'm running this and showing you in front of you how you are going to do this project, and you can do the similar project also in your intern spam ham. Okay, you can see it's run successfully. And After this, what I will going to do, I need to upload my data set. So to upload your data set on the code, this is from google.colab import file, upload file upload. So here I wanted to upload directly my file. So I will run this again and it will prompt me to browse the file that you want to upload. So see, it is giving me option. I will click on this choose file, and this will open one screen. And this is my data set. I selected it and I click on open. Now see, it's taking some time. It will going to progress. It will going to show you the progress. It will take some time in uploading the data set. Just wait for a few seconds because I have a lot of data, so it will take some time. You can see it is done 42% like this. What I'm doing, I'm uploading my data on this code. Now see, it is done. Once you are done with this, I've shown you how many column you have. You have a two column, right? What are those? Spam ham one label and another one is your email, right? One was a label that was classifying as a spam or ham, and another one was what? Your email, right? So let me run this again. Yes. Now the next thing is you need to import the libraries. What libraries you need? Natural language processing NLTK library. Why do we use NLTK library? Because we are dealing with natural language. What is natural language? Natural language is a language that is used by the human being to conversate with each other. Like now I am discussing with you, communicate with you in English, right? So it comes under natural language. What about in Germany? What about in Canada? What about in Karnataka or Tamil Nadu? They will speak in their regional language, right? So it is also comes under natural language processing. Natural language processing is a module of the data science which is used to process the natural language. Natural language means that is used by human being to make a conversation. Okay, so why do we need to import this? Because because our data set is having a mail that is written by human being, right? So he has expressed his important notice or the mail that you want to send, right? So how the machine will understand it? Obviously machine won't understand Hindi, machine won't understand Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Gujarati, right? Machine won't understand your English, German, France, right? So what you need to import it, you need to import this library. This library will going to assist your code to understand what email is it is, in which language the email is written. Based on that it will going to respond further. Am I clear till now? Now once you are done with this, you will going to call this Porter stammer. Porter stammer means what in NLTK? See, I know it because it is not in your syllabus, so you might be find difficulty in getting this code or learning this code. No issue, you can do one thing. See, when I will going to share this code, just run this code 2 3 times. Google it, like what actually this stand for, why do we are using this line. You will get a more idea. Right now I am explaining it, so might be possible that some of the thing won't understand because you have not done work in machine learning before. Okay, I can show you some other project also in few, like tomorrow, web development and Python project, but that is very common nowadays, means many people they are running this on the cloud. So I thought to explain you some more advanced and current project, so I thought to share this with you. Okay, so this NLTK, what actually they are doing now, they are dividing your email into the certain set of the keyword. What is mean by that? Suppose here your email is um, okay, this is a message email I am sending. Okay, this is my content of email. So this porter stemmer, what they will going to do, they will going to divide your email based on the keyword. How what is like meet, then me will be again one keyword, tomorrow will be again your keyword, first will be again your keyword, doubt will be again your keyword, right? So like this they will going to divide your message on the different keyword. Once they divide the keyword, they will going to try to find out what is the root word for this. Now if you see it, like meat, okay, does anyone having a root word for this meat? No, right? But if I say you, is there any root word for this going? Then you will say yes. What is the root word for that? Go, right? From the go keyword only you are getting this going, right? Similarly, if I say you, what is the root word for checked, right? So what you will say? Check, right? So this porter stemmer here, what they will going to do, they will going to find out the root word for every separated keyword. Like here, what is the keyword in the mail? Like meet me tomorrow for the doubt session. So here, what is your keyword? Meet me, right? Tomorrow doubt session, like this, right? So like this it works. Once you are done with this keyword distribution and like getting the root keyword, because once you find out the root keyword you will come to know, okay, what are the correct grammar. Okay, in order to make your message in the correct grammar and to understand the correct grammar, we need to import this. Once you are done with this, okay, once you are done with this, what is the next step? You will going to process each and every email. Okay, you will going to process each and every email. And if you are aware about the Python, then you won't be feel difficulty. What here I'm doing, I'm just using this for loop. For I in a range 0 to length message, means I will going to check each and every keyword of your my message, and I will see if there is the message is in the form of alphabet, character, number, whether it is low means low case, means whether it is small alphabet, capital alphabet. I will going to try to analyze all the content of my email. Okay, what is my email? You can see it here. This is my email and this is my classification. So I will going to explore the whole content of my email. I will going to divide it into the keyword. I will going to once I divide it, I will going to find out the root word. Once I find out the root word, I will going to check whether it is alphabet, whether it is a character data, string data, number data. This is all I need to check it, right? So here same thing I'm doing. This board will going to do the same. It will going to convert your mail to uppercase, lowercase. It will going to check if the content of the mail is your splitted or what. You will going to find out a root word. Till now we have done that processing of the data. We played with the data, we find out the data. Now the actual algorithm works. This is the code, you can see it, sklearn, right? This sklearn dot feature extraction text, what it will going to do? Now from here your machine learning will going to start. With the help of this sklearn library, you will make your code to learn on that dataset that you have already uploaded. Once you will make your code learn on the dataset, that algorithm, this whole algorithm will train it how many number of spam mail are there, how many number of ham mail are there, what is the keyword in that spam, what is the keyword in a ham, how you are classifying as a spam message, how you are classifying as a ham message. So this is all you need to take care of this, right? So here machine learning actual work start. Okay, here what you're doing, you are training your algorithm with the data set. Okay, and once you are get with that, next step is what, you need to divide your data set into two parts. How you are going to train it? Normally what actually happen, when we work with the algorithm, we have to divide your data set into two parts. Certain ratio of the data we're going to make for training, and certain set of data we'll use for testing. For example, tomorrow you have an exam. Okay, I made you prepare on the 70 sample sheet, right? I make you prepare on 70 question paper out of 100, and 30 I kept it for test tomorrow, before your exam, and I will select any one of the question paper from the test set. So that is called a training and test. Training means you will going to train your algorithm on certain set of data, and test means you will going to test it on certain set of data to just check whether it is working fine. So normally we use 100-20 ratio, means 80-20 ratio, 80 for training and 20 for testing. Similarly, you can use 70-30 also, 70 for training, 30 for testing. Once you are done with this, you can see this code, right? I am dividing here 80-20 only. See here, I have given test size as 0.20. It means that 20% of my data will be test size and remaining 80% will be my train data. Once you are done with this, you will going to do the prediction. You will going to do the, you will going to call an algorithm. Okay, means this is the Python code. There are certain code that perform an operation on this data set. Naive bias, linear regression, logistic regression, random forest. There are different kind of algorithm are there. Here we just need to import that. What is that? Multinomial DB means naive Bayes algorithm. Once you import it, you can predict the output of that. Okay, now here you can see the output you are getting 0 1 0 1 0 1. What is that? 0 is for your spam and 1 is for your ham. You can see it. I have added a comment also. 0 is for your spam and 1 is your ham. Why I use 0 1, why I have not used spam or ham directly? See, internally machine works on mathematics. So they want the data should be comes in the form of 0 1, so it will become easier for your machine learning algorithm. That is the reason I took it as a 0 1. Now 0 1 0 1, it is showing that first message that you have passed, it was spam. Next message that was you passed, that is ham. Again spam, like this. So this 20, when you pass it, it took random 20 data set from your data set. Probability you can, probably you can consider like last 20 data of your data set. So last 20 data, it is predicting on that, and it is printing the result in the form of 0 1 0 1 0 1. Do you understand that? And then once I done with this, I am predicting the accuracy of that. Means how accurate my model is. And this accuracy is calculated on what scenario? It is calculated on the scenario like how much is correct prediction is done. Correct prediction in the sense, for example, for this particular mail you got ham, okay, and when you pass this mail for testing, are you getting ham only or spam only? If you are getting ham, it means that your prediction is correct. If you are getting spam, it means that your prediction is wrong. So based on this decision, your accuracy is predicted. Now it's showing 98%. It means that 98% of this data set is predicting correctly. Means wherever ham is there, it is giving ham only. Wherever spam is there, it is giving spam only. Do you understand that? Do you understand this? Do you understand or what?
Yes, sir.
Yes.